Let's read.
Read the conversation.
Circle yes or no.
Hi, John. Look at my album about Peruvian animals.
Wow, it's amazing. What animal is this?
This is the Andean condor. It's a big bird.
Where does the Andean condor live?
It lives in the mountains of Peru.
And what about this animal?
This is the Taricaya turtle.
Nice. Where does the Taricaya turtle live?
It lives in the Amazon River. It eats fruits.
Oh, Peru has beautiful animals.
Yes, I love Peruvian animals.
Listen and repeat.
Peruvian animals.
Andean condor, sea lion, vicuña, Taricaya turtle, spider monkey,
Llama, macaw, pink dolphin, Humboldt penguin, puma.
Listen and repeat.
animal habitats,
Mountains, rainforest, highlands, river, Pacific Ocean.